Hey guys, how's it going? This is Joel from techlearn.com, and in this video we're going to have a look at the classic 10 Dragon Touch touchscreen frame display. So let's get started.
Going back in time 5 to 10 years ago, my family first purchased a digital frame so we can display all of our photos because we used to go to lots of vacations during those days. But after a few years since we bought our first digital frame, we didn't really see those in the market anymore in my country, and we had difficulties of uploading the pictures because that frame didn't support wireless sharing, and it was kind of hard for us to put all the photos in a USB and then put it on the frame. But this time we're having the Dragon Touch Digital Frame Classic 10, which supports wireless sharing, allowing you to share photos straight from your phone, making it very easy to share your photos to that, even from your computer by using FTP server. And also you can even send all of your photos via email, and even that you can also allow multiple users to send photos directly to your frame, making it a whole lot easier than it used to be. On top of that, it comes with a high quality 10-inch touchscreen display with 28 by 800 pixels. On top of that, it comes with an internal storage of 16 gigabytes, which means that it can play a slideshow of up to 40,000 photos. And the most important thing is not here yet. If you want to, you can use a USB stick or an SD card. You can put all the photos there, and then you can connect the external storage device to the frame and have more photos to be displayed as a slideshow. Now let's go ahead and put all of this into practice. Okay, so now it's time to go ahead and open the box and see what is inside. So here you have a couple of cables. That includes the charger and also a USB cable. And here you got the Dragon Touch Frame Classic 10. And as you can see, it has some instructions on the top of the screen. So we're going to go through them later on in this video. The screen is about 10 inches, 10.1 to be precise. On the back, as you can see, you have a placeholder for the stand and two stereo speakers on the top right. On top of that, you have also some cards and clues to activate your free guarantee, and also, of course, a user guide if you ever get lost. So here we have a stand, so it's very easy to install it. You flip the frame on the back and then you just rotate it into that hole. And then you can place it on the table, portrait or landscape mode.
So right now let's go ahead and see how we can set up the Dragon Touch frame. So step number one, you need to power your photo frame by connecting a power cable. It should turn on automatically. In case it doesn't, then there's a button on the back which, if you press it, is going to turn on. To make things easier, I'm just going to remove all the instructions from the screen. Okay, so now I need to go ahead and connect the frame to my Wi-Fi. Please keep in mind that only 2.4G Wi-Fi will be detected by the frame and not 5.0. So in case if you don't have 2.4 gigahertz available, then please make sure to contact your internet service provider and discuss the matter. Once connected, then you should see an arrow on the top right of the corner. Make sure to press it in order to carry on to the next step. And here you just input some information about the device. So in my case, since I'm on holidays, I'm just going to put the city I'm currently at. At this point, it's a good thing to tell the frame what time it should turn on and what time it should turn off. Now I set the frame to start showing photos at 5 AM and stop showing any photos at 11 PM. Once you're done, then click on next. At this point, the setup is pretty much done with the Dragon Touch frame. So the only thing you have to do now is to grab your phone and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you have an iOS device and search for Our Photo. This is a free app, and then as soon as you download it, then just open it. This is going to put you in a login screen. So at this point, just go on sign up and type your information. While setting up your account, please make sure to press on this button looking like a paper plane in order to send a verification email. Once it's done, then go to your inbox and check the email because they're going to send you a code which you need to type on the bottom on the last input box. Once it's ready, click on submit. At this point, this is how the screen should look like. As you can see, you have a variety of options, such as taking photos, taking videos, adding devices, messages, and also sending photos via your photo library. So in this case, we're gonna go on devices, and we're gonna let our app to recognize our frame here. So we'll be able to send photos and videos to it. So from here, where it says my devices, click on the add button, and here type the device name. In my case, I'm just gonna name it by my name. So first is the name of your device. Now you can name it whatever you want. The second is the email. Now you can use this email to send. Now the email can be used to send photos and videos via email to your device in case the device is not available at the time. And at the bottom, this is where you put your device ID. Now the device ID can be found right here, so frame ID, and then you just input it here, and then you're all set. So once you're set, click on bind, and then as you can see, there's a request here. So just gonna press on the request and accept my device. And as you can see, there's a pending request through the account that I just created from this app. So I'm gonna hit accept, and also gonna go and refresh from my phone. And as you can see, the device has been successfully added to the app. So now I can go back and then I am able to send photos. So let's see how we can do this. So you can go to media, go to photos. Then you can select some photos. In my case, I'm gonna select the first 8 photos. Once it's done, click on done. At the end, press on this paper plane icon to send all the photos directly to the frame. Now this can take a while depending on how many images you are sending. Okay, and now we should see a notification on our frame saying that there are some photos being sent. So let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, so as you can see here we have all of our photos. Now these are the photos that we just sent, and also as you can see you have different tabs here. As you can see, you can see all the photos that we have sent. Also, as you can see all the photos which are stored in the internal storage. Also, you have an SD card. So if you have photos in an SD card, you can plug in your SD card and then you can view all the photos from there. And also you have USB, so you can connect the USB and then you can display all the photos through that USB. On top of that, you can also send videos. So by going again on media, clicking on video, selecting a video which I like, I select choose. On top of that, you can also add a caption. So for example, you can say, then you press on the paper plane and then the video will be sent. Now keep in mind that videos take longer to be sent, obviously because there are larger files, and also the speed depends on your internet connection. Again, you should receive a notification through your frame. And here we have one video file, which is the video where we have just sent, with a caption that we just entered as well. So let's go ahead and play this video. We're gonna turn the volume up by pressing on this button, and then you just can. Okay. And again, same formula. You can also access videos through the internal storage, SD card if you have one, and also a USB if you connect them through the ports on the side. And finally, let's go ahead and see how the home screen looks like. So by pressing this button, you can also navigate to back, you can change the volume, and also you can go home. So let's go home, and this is how home looks like. As you can see, we have the weather from our city. Also, we have the time. Also, we have a button to navigate to videos, and also we have our photos here. So we press on this button, and then we have all the photos displayed right here. And finally, you also have an alarm. So you can set an alarm in the morning and even set which days you would like it to go off. So for example, you can set it up every single day, and also you can change the ringtone depending on your preferences. On top of that, you can add multiple alarms if you wish to. Finally, you can also take photos and videos live and send them directly to the frame. So for example, you can go ahead and take a photo right off your phone, and then just say use photo, and send it right away. And once the photo is sent, it will be added to the slideshow. You can also do the same thing by video. So you go ahead, you record a video, and then you can send the video right to the frame right off the bat. And also you're going to receive a notification as soon as the video is sent. Now, finally, I would like to show you how you can send photos and videos by using the email address that we have set before. So go again to devices and then locate your email address. In our case, we're going to send the photos to this address right here. So go home and then go to photos, go to albums or camera roll, or depending on photos if you're on Android, or gallery and select a photo which you would like to send. In our case, I'm going to select this photo here. And then go and select email. Then type the email address. In my case, it's josephframe@ourphoto.china. And also you can set you can type a subject. In my case, just going to leave it just like that. I'm going to save the photo. I'm going to leave it as small so the email will be sent faster. And as you can see, we have one notification here from the email that we have just sent. And as you can see, this is a photo that we have just sent right now. So as you can see, the photo was straight being displayed on the slideshow. The downside is that it took quite a while. It took around 4 minutes for the email to be sent to the frame and then also pause the image and display it in the slideshow. Very handy feature and very handy if you're out or during vacation. And that's pretty much everything about the Dragon Touch Frame Classic 10. Now you may ask me, who should buy a frame? Now if you're family and you enjoy seeing the photos that you have taken from a vacation and you would like them to have in a slideshow very quickly and have a digital frame instead of having like loads of frames and pictures in your wall, then a frame should be for you because it will automatically play all the photos for you, and it's very easy to use and very easy to access, very easy to send photos, and you have lots of storage coming in. And also in case if you don't want to put it in the wall, you can put it in the table right next to your bedroom. Looks very nice if you put it there, and also you can have it as an alarm as well at the same time. Finally, you can also add multiple users if you like to. You can put your whole family and all of your families and all of the members from your family can send photos directly to the frame, and you will see them in the slideshow automatically. Now it's your turn. What do you think of the Dragon Touch Frame Classic 10? Do you already have a digital frame? And if not, or perhaps what was the favorite feature that you saw from the Dragon Touch Frame Classic 10 today? Let me know in the comment section. And on top of that, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, share this to your friends, and if you're a new visitor, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell right next to it in order to receive notifications for every video we upload. And finally, we also have our online community where you can go ahead and post questions in our forum. Finally, don't forget to visit our blog and also our forum so you can go and post questions and read our latest articles that we post there. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm going to see you in my next video.